This is not safe for children. Should we start with that? It should be the opening line of the video. It's my birthday. Barbie is trending. I've got a pink drink and I haven't tortured myself in a while. Let's make a Barbie cake. I missed my mouth. I always wanted this one cake. Barbie was in the middle and then the cake was her dress. I'm just gonna make it for myself. What kind of a sick fuck fucks up their own birthday cake? I think 3-2? Yeah. You're gonna fold your thing into a square. I've already forgotten how to do this. Now we have a circle. Ugh. I've gone too hard on the gin. Gin and edible glitter and food colouring. Now it's 10 o'clock at night and all I have done is line 2 cake tins. We are just going to make a Victoria sponge. I really don't want to fuck up my own birthday cake this year. Do Barbie still not have genitals? Are we going to check? This whisk is really useless. I actually think I've made a cake batter. And we're going to add some pink food colouring so that when you cut into it, the dress is pink. It's brown. When did this go out of date? Wow, don't look at the use by date. What about the red food colouring? This one out of date a year before that one. Kind of brownie red. Does kind of look like a period. Cake for a period! It's my favourite game! There was cake on a sign in Lost Property, shouting cake for a period. You had to be there. That is a batter. I've been drunk, you've been Leora. It's been a pleasure. I don't need to put them in the tins. I've not made enough batter, so we're gonna have to make some more fucking batter. It'll grow from that. Everything I've said until now is wrong. Every time I said 3, I meant 4. I fucking told them how to make not enough cake. I'm just gonna let them follow the recipe until this point and then tell them you've done it wrong. Fuck. Oh, there's a hair. Sponsor me, Lucy and Yak. Imagine if I got sponsored. The only one who's willing to sponsor me is my AA sponsor. In order to not make a hash brown of this, make sure your cake's cool. They're going in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to leave them overnight before we start layering. I think it's fine. I think it'll rise. I think it'll double in size. And wishful thinking gets you far in life, you know? It's the next morning. Turns out, when I said you need to make another cake, you actually needed to make another cake. So you need like 4... maybe 5? I don't. Now we gotta make this bitch a dress. So let's make some frosting. Sifting is dull. Oh, fuck me. Hey Barbie, let's go party. She's in flats. She fucking knows how to rave. So Kink Barbie, not only has she got her little unicorn on, but she has her little unicorn tail butt plug. As sold on my Amazon wishlist. This girl and me would hang out at a festival. This Barbie drinks Thatchers at 4 a.m. and she's dating the DJ. Tell me I'm wrong. Let's actually make it even kinkier. We're gonna wrap you in cling film, babe. This is not safe for children. Cut off the top of the cake and have a snack. Okay, jam the layer. Spread it. Oh no, it's... oh my God, it's really good. I'm so proud of myself. I need to stop saying that because I said that when I was making the unicorn cake and we also how that turned out. I missed. It's not going to be tall enough. There's a hole. Found it first time. I've really sexualized this episode, haven't I? I knocked over an entire glass of Prosecco and this entire area is now pink and sticky. Like me. We are going to colour our icing. Purple and pink. Put some pink in some. Stir-y stir. You can't remove, you can always add. I'm so proud of myself when I say like a real chef thing. You know the colour of chicken nugget before it's turned into a nugget? It's still not enough cake. I don't. So flat. It's warm. Put your finger in my cake. We're gonna have to make another cake. So we've gone from 3 layers to 4 layers to 5 layers. Fuck. Cheeky toes. Cake 5. Stay out of my business. Does it come past her vagina? No, it doesn't. Use some of the offcuts to create the last tier of dress because we are done. You know, we are fucking done. We haven't iced it yet. Go buy a cake and then put a Barbie in the middle of it. Just shave the cake like a bush. We're shaving Barbie's bush. Have your vagina, babe. Is a Barbie vagina a vagina? I'm starting to understand now why my mum never wanted to bake this cake for me. You liking your dress? It's definitely square. You're just gonna keep doing this until there's no cake left. All right, we're gonna now crumb this fucker. I have lost my fucking mind. You should treat yourself on your birthday the way you wished you were treated as a child. I wish that my mum aggressively baked a cake while drinking in the kitchen. I'm pretty sure she did. You're gonna fill a piping bag. Do I need hands? Should I go on that show, Is It Cake? If you were here to learn how to ice a cake, go somewhere else. I'm not here to help you. 5 hours later. It's coming together though. Looks like fresh out of grandma's house. 1970s toilet roll holder vibe. It looks edible. Maybe. She does look like she's ready to smash the patriarchy. Add fucking more sugar that's pink coloured. It's just bouncing off. Ooh! The silver! You could literally polish a turd with this.
Happy birthday to me, 'cause I love Barbie. Gonna smash the patriarchy. Happy birthday to me.
Okay. Good? Yeah. Subscribe. Happy birthday, dear Leora. Yay! What a beautiful cake!
It doesn't just look good, it tastes good.